Hi everyone, I'm Miss Flora, and today we're going inside the most amazing machine in the world, the human body. Let's go. Your body is made up of many parts that work together. It's like a super team. Each part has a special job that keeps you alive and healthy. Let's meet the heart. It's a strong muscle that pumps blood all around your body, carrying oxygen and nutrients to every cell. Up here is your brain, your body's control center. It tells your muscles to move, helps you think, feel, and even dream. Your lungs help you breathe. They take in oxygen and send it into your blood, and get rid of waste gas called carbon dioxide. Your bones form a skeleton to support your body and protect organs. Muscles are attached to bones they pull to help you move, walk, and play. What happens when you eat? Your digestive system breaks food into tiny pieces your body can use for energy and growth. Your body has tiny defenders too. The immune system fights off germs that try to make you sick. Let's review your body's amazing systems. Heart pumps blood, brain controls the body, lungs help you breathe, bones and muscles support and move you, digestive system gives energy, immune system protects from germs. Quiz time. What organ pumps blood through the body? A. Lungs, B. Heart, C. Brain. If you picked B. Heart, great job. So explorers, you've just explored the human body, the most awesome machine ever built. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more cool science videos. Until next time, keep exploring.